Imagine AI assistants that can seamlessly connect to all your favorite apps, just like plugging in a USB-C. That's the promise of Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Welcome to UnStruct.AI. I'm Sam Kokoro. Today, we're diving into the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. I'm joined by Jordan Singh, research scientist, and Alex Chen, senior analyst. Welcome both.
Thanks, Sam. Excited to be here and unpack this.
Happy to join. MCP is a game changer, especially for enterprise AI.
So Alex, let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Model Context Protocol?
In a nutshell, MCP is an open standard that allows AI assistants to connect with different data sources, tools, and systems. Think of it as a universal translator for AI, enabling seamless interaction across various platforms.
Exactly. Before MCP, connecting an AI to your data was a fragmented process, requiring custom code for each integration. MCP replaces this with a standardized approach, much like a USB-C port for AI.
So it's all about simplifying and standardizing AI integrations. Jordan, what are the core components that make up MCP?
MCP has a few key parts. There's the MCP client, which runs in the AI application. Then there's the MCP server, which provides access to specific data or capabilities.
And how do these components actually communicate, Alex?
They use a client-server architecture. The AI sends requests to the server, and the server responds with the requested data or executes the desired action. MCP defines a few core interaction types: resources, tools, and prompts.
Resources, tools, and prompts. Can you elaborate on those, Jordan?
Think of resources as data the AI can access, like files or database schemas. Tools are actions the AI can take, such as running a calculation or sending a message. And prompts are reusable templates for common interactions.
There's also sampling, where the server requests the AI to complete or transform text. This two-way communication enables more dynamic interactions.
This all sounds promising, but what are some real-world applications of MCP?
We're seeing it pop up everywhere. In AI-powered coding assistants, it provides access to code repositories and documentation. In enterprises, it enables secure access to company data and internal services. It even powers AI-driven data querying applications.
Tools like Cursor and Claude are already using MCP to connect to external systems. The possibilities are really endless.
We'll be right back after a quick break. Welcome back, Jordan. How does MCP compare to other approaches for AI integration?
Well, function calling is a popular technique for integrating LLMs, but it's often vendor-specific. MCP, on the other hand, is model-agnostic and aims to be an open standard.
Exactly, it's like comparing a proprietary charging cable to a universal USB-C. MCP promotes greater interoperability and reduces vendor lock-in.
Security is always a concern. How does MCP handle security and data privacy?
MCP emphasizes security controls. Servers can implement access controls, and the AI host often requires user approval before executing a tool.
It's built on principles of data privacy and tool safety. Hosts need explicit user consent before exposing data or invoking tools.
What are some of the challenges or limitations of MCP?
Well, it's still a relatively new protocol, so the ecosystem is still developing. And there's no standardized authentication mechanism yet, which can lead to inconsistent security practices.
Also, security researchers have pointed out potential vulnerabilities, including prompt injection and issues with tool permissions.
Looking ahead, what's on the horizon for MCP?
We can expect to see improvements in security, scalability, and usability. There's also work being done on a centralized MCP registry to simplify server discovery.
And the integration of OAuth 2.0 will enhance authentication and authorization. The goal is to create a more robust and secure ecosystem.
Any final thoughts on the potential impact of MCP, Alex?
MCP has the potential to be a game changer for building AI applications that are truly aware and capable within our software ecosystems. It provides a common bridge for AI models to interact with everything from databases and file systems to web services.
It's not a silver bullet, but it's a solid step toward interoperability. It could allow you to switch out AI models or move to new tools and still keep your integrations.
Jordan, Alex, thanks for shedding light on the Model Context Protocol. That's all for today's episode. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into the world of unstructured AI.